Are you looking as more professionals and DIYers tackle daily tasks? The demand for reliable utility knives continues to grow. Whether you're opening boxes, cutting drywall, or crafting, the right utility knife can save time and prevent injury. This guide reviews the best utility knife options based on blade quality, ergonomic design, safety features, ease of blade change, and overall value. Perfect for both casual users and heavy-duty professionals.
List number: Internet's best premium utility knife set. Retractable box cutter with rubber handle, heavy-duty cutting for cardboard. Ideal for those seeking functionality and comfort. This internet's best premium utility knife set delivers impressive performance for everyday use. Featuring a rubber grip handle, it ensures a secure and slip-free hold during extended use. The retractable blade mechanism is easy to use, allowing for quick adjustments and safe storage. Designed for heavy-duty tasks like slicing cardboard, plastic, or packaging, it comes with extra blades for long-term value. While it's not the flashiest option, its no-nonsense design, durability, and affordability make it a top choice for home, office, and warehouse use. If you're cutting a lot of boxes and need something simple but strong, this is an excellent pick.
List new DeWalt DWHT10295 Premium Utility Knife. Built for professionals, the DeWalt DWHT10295 is a robust utility knife with a reputation for strength and reliability. Its metal body construction adds to the durability, and the ergonomic design enhances comfort even during tough jobs. The push-button blade change system is a standout, allowing you to swap blades quickly without tools. There's also an onboard blade storage compartment, so you're never caught off guard mid-task. It's ideal for contractors, electricians, or anyone who needs a sturdy utility knife on the job site. DeWalt's trusted brand reputation and practical features make this a great investment for heavy-duty use. List number: WorkPro Folding Utility Knife. Razor blade knife with axis lock. Quick change box cutter. EDC wood handle. Stylish and practical. The WorkPro Folding Utility Knife is perfect for EDC, everyday carry enthusiasts. The folding design with an axis lock ensures safe handling and compact storage. It boasts a quick change blade system, so swapping blades is hassle-free. The standout here is the wood handle, offering a classy look with great grip. Despite its sleek appearance, it's fully capable of handling cutting tasks like opening packages, trimming materials, and light-duty DIY projects. It also clips easily to your pocket or belt. A smart pick for anyone looking for function and form in one tool. List more: Fiskars Pro Retractable Folding Utility Knife. Box cutter with long-lasting Carbon Max razor blade. The Fiskars Pro Retractable Folding Utility Knife blends portability and power beautifully. Its Carbon Max blades are engineered to last 24 times longer than standard blades, reducing how often you need to change them. The folding design offers a dual advantage: compactness and safety. It also features a dual lock mechanism, retract and fold for ultimate blade security. Comfortable in hand with a soft grip, this knife is suited for professionals and serious DIYers alike. From cutting thick cardboard to roofing materials, the Fiskars Pro delivers. List number: WorkPro Premium Utility Knife, Retractable All-Metal Heavy-Duty Box Cutter. If durability is a top priority, the WorkPro Premium Utility Knife stands out with its full metal body and solid industrial build. The retractable blade adjusts to multiple positions, providing precision control for various cutting tasks. It's comfortable to grip and equipped with a tool-free blade change mechanism, plus internal blade storage. This knife is ready to work right out of the box, especially in warehouses, construction sites, or workshops. With excellent heft and balance, it's a workhorse that can take a beating and keep going.